Hi all, this is Anita from TC. This video talks about deletion operation in B trees. Before getting, we shall see the basic characteristics of a B tree. As we know, B tree is an M-way search tree with these properties. It is perfectly balanced. Every leaf node is at the same depth and every internal node is at least half full. That is, if it is an M-way search tree, then the number of keys should be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to m by 2 minus 1 and less than or equal to m minus 1. And every internal node with k keys should have k plus 1 non-null children. So with this understanding of the B tree characteristics, we shall move into deletion and its different cases. There is one more thing to note. In all the B tree, we have a minimum degree which is denoted by t. Then the maximum number of keys is 2t minus 1 and the minimum number of keys is t minus 1. And tree is split whenever it reaches the maximum number of keys. So for a minimum number of minimum degree is t and maximum keys is 2t minus 1, the tree would be a 2t way tree, that is m equal to 2t. Let us go ahead with the deletion. Totally there are 3 different cases in deletion, and let us explore each and one of these with suitable examples. So before that, I would like to emphasize another point. For any B tree, we have a minimum degree t. So maximum number of keys that can be held is 2t minus 1 and minimum number of t is t minus 1. So if my minimum degree is 3, 5 keys can be held. So the examples that should be shown now has a minimum degree of 3. Okay, so with this assumption we shall go ahead. So I am reiterating what I have been saying here. So I have a node f here in the leaf. So first case is deleting the leaf node f. So what is mentioned here, if my searched k is in node x and x is a leaf, so this is x, this is k, f is k. So k is inside x and x is a leaf, so simply delete this f. So there is no other complexity. So just deleting the f will lead to this result. So this is the first case. We shall move on to the second case now. So I am trying to delete m now, which is not in the leaf but it is in one of the internal node. So what should I be doing? Just read through it. If k is in node x, then x is an internal node. Yes. So my k is now m and this is the internal node x. So I have to look for a child that precedes k. So who are the what is the child that precedes m? It is this node. So this is y. And check whether it has at least t keys. Yes, it has 3 keys. Okay. So the condition is satisfied. So I have to find the predecessor here and make that as a root at y. Okay, so I have to find the immediate predecessor, that is L. So I'll be moving this to the place of the M. So I shall move L to this position M. Okay. So with this result, I am moving towards this arrangement of trees. So M is lost and in the place of M, L is going to get replaced. Okay. What happens if I don't have t keys here? Here I have 3 keys, so it's no problem because our t equal to 3. But if I don't have such a t here, then I have to look for the successor. So I'll name it as z. Right? So again I'll check if I have t keys here. That is in our case it is 3 keys here. Then I'll do the same procedure with the redirection operation, redistribution operation. Okay. So if this is 2a, then this is 2b. So 2b case is the same that follows k. Now I have to recursively delete that and I have to place. Right. So there comes another interesting case where I don't have t keys in both of the children. So let us look into that case also. See, this is our initial tree. So I am going to delete G now. So I am looking into G and I am looking, so this is X, So I have to look for the y first. So this is y and this is z. So I check what is the count of the keys. It is only 2, but at least I need 3. So I am looking for my right. Here also I have only 2 keys, but I expect 3 key. Okay, so it is not present in both the cases. So I come to the third option. When y and z have only t minus 1 case, I have to merge these and bring the g down. And after bringing the g down, delete the g. Okay, so let us explore what is the result. See, I have merged DE and JK and I have brought the G down, but now G has been deleted. So this is how you work with the internal node, right? We come to the next another option. What happens if I am searching for a key and moving down? So first case we have talked about how to delete from a leaf, and second case we talked about how delete from an internal node. But this case we'll talk about how we do merging and splitting while we navigate down. Okay, so for example, here I search for D. Okay, I'll try to delete the D. Although it is in the leaf node, I should be processing only from the root. Okay, so I'm going to process from the root. I'm searching for D, and so this is X now. This is child of X. Okay, now I find my way to D is here. Okay, so I am looking for my number of keys in my child. If I have t minus 1 keys, have only t minus 1 key. See, it is having only t minus 1 key. I am checking with its sibling. This is one sibling. So I am checking with my sibling. If this also has t minus 1 key, then I am going to combine both of them. Only after combining them, I will be reaching again to the node where I will find the key to be deleted. So even though this does not has the key to be deleted, I have to combine these two. Okay, so after combining, I'll be getting, see, parent node is down, so it is combined. So actually D would be here. So when I search for D here, I find between C and L. So I'll be moving here and it is in left. So I'll be deleting according to rule 1. So this is how you need to do whenever you traverse from one node to the other node. Okay. So what shall be 3A now? If I don't have a sibling with t minus 1 key, I do have a sibling with only t key. So what should be done? So that is the next case that has to be explored, right? Now I'm going to delete B here. So I'm looking for the B here. So now my X will be here. I'm looking for the B. I don't find B. So I should be looking for my children. So I have the possibility of having the B only here. So I'm checking again whether it has t minus 1 keys. Yes, it has t minus 1 keys only. But its sibling do not has t minus 1 keys. It has t keys. So please understand our t equal to 3. So it has 2 keys, it has t keys. So what should be done? I cannot merge that, right? So what I should do is I should take one key from this node to the root and I should bring this C down to this. Is that fine? So after getting down and again I am searching for B and coming to this position. So originally B would be here and after coming I will be deleting B according to case 1. So this is our 3A. So we have explored 1, 2A, 2B, 2C, then 3A, 3C. So this is how you have to perform deletion in a B tree. We shall see an example also, right? You are seeing a B tree with the minimum degree of T, right? So you may be finding a root node starting with 100 and to one left and one right child with 3 nodes each, and you may be finding 4 children for both of them. And I should say that all the leaves are in the same level, although my drawing does not depict that, but all these leaves are in the same level, right? So I will try to delete one node from this place. Okay, so shall we delete 450 here? Okay, so we shall try deleting 450 now. So for deleting 450, I have to start from the root. So I have to find whether it contains 450. No. So I'll be moving. So now my x is here, child is here. So I'll be checking my third condition also, 3a, whether it is less than t. But it is not less than t. So I'll be moving. Now this will be x, and where it is 450, this is my child. Okay. So coming to this, I have to look into the third case. This is x now. Probably my child would be in this direction. So I have to check whether my child has t keys. That is 3 keys. No, it is less than 3. Number of keys is less than 3. So I have to look for an immediate sibling, and I have to find whether it also has less than 3. Yes, it also has less than 3. So what should I do? I should combine both these things and I should bring 900 down. Only after bringing and setting this node, I have to again search for 450. Okay, is that clear? This is the tree that I get after rearranging, and hope you are clear with this arrangement of moving 900 towards child. And now we shall again search for 450 in this. Now x becomes this node, so we'll do with 450. So I find 450 in leaf, so simple deletion would do. Okay, so in this case we have explored the case of 3c where you combine 2 children and you have deleted. So 3c plus 1. Okay. And in this next example, we shall try deleting this 400 and see what happens. Okay. So when you want to delete 400, so you have to start from the, so I search from this place and I'll go with searching for 400. So 400, I find this is x and this is child of x. Okay. So now I may have 400 here, but here t is less than 3. So I find the possibility of combining it with my sibling. So who is the sibling? This is the sibling. Okay. So when I try to combine, I find whether this is less than 3, but it is not less than 3. It is equal to 3. So what should be done? So I have to look into the option of 3a, where I have an immediate sibling with at least t keys. So what I should do? I should be taking one node from this place and redistribute it into this place. Okay. So here I have to do, I have to swap 100 to this position and I have to move 80 to this position. So this can be done while redistributing. Okay. So after redistributing, we get 100 to move down to this right node and 80 would be moving from the left to the root node, and the pointer that exists here now automatically changed to this 100. So we have executed another case of 3a now. But still we are looking for deleting this 400. Okay. So now this is again an pointer is established. So now this is x and this is child. Now it gets over. So now this is x, and what is child now? No child, because 400 is present in this node. Right. Now this is an internal node. So I have to look for case 2. Okay. So for internal node, I have to look for the left child whether it is greater than or equal to t keys. Okay, this is a case 2. So I have to look in for that. So it at least t keys, then no problem. I have to take one predecessor. So who is the predecessor? It is 320. So I have to take 320 here and I have to move 400 here. Okay, so if I take this, I'll get 320 here and 400 would be inserted here. Okay, so 320 will be taken out of this. Fine. Then this is x. Now my turn my x to here and I find 400 here. This is a simply leave. Just delete this. So we have looked into case 3a. Then now I have talked about case 2a and finally we deleted the leaf by case 1. So this is how deletions takes place in B tree. It is a bit complex, but this much complexity is necessary for maintaining records in a B tree to achieve maximum efficiency in storing and accessing. Thank you for watching.